Hello boys and girls, this is my another video on what to do with old broken jewelry, and this time I have colorful stones. Some of them are just plastic, some of them are glass, but right now let me show you what I actually have. So here is, I think they're natural, just a long rope of stones. They're all different colors. Will be difficult to match if I'm gonna decide to do something with it, but I quite like the colors, so let's see what I can do with it. The next one is just a rope of amber. This is new. I just bought it a long time back and I still don't know what to do with it, so I just decided to add to this project. As you can see, it has some matching texture to this. Maybe I will combine them, but I quite like the amber. I've never tried to work with chipstone before, so let's see what I can manage with it. The next one is just another rope of round beads. They're probably glass again. It has really old clasps, so gonna get rid of that. Gonna get rid of those separators, they're just plastic. And yeah, that's about it. And here's another necklace, also old, also some stones. As you can see, guys, I actually tried to collect colorful stones, so it will be easier for me to combine and see what I can make of this. Then I have something totally different, an old metal necklace. It's losing its color, but all the stones are in place. I want to see if I clean them, if they're gonna shine again. If I clean, they might just get rusty and lose all the color it has left, so I don't know. Let's see. I quite like the flowers. It would make really nice pendants, and let's see what I can do with that. An old brooch. It's completely broken, losing some beads and stuff. I thought just to throw it away straight away, but I actually like these beads. They're really shiny and they might actually match with the amber if I decide to combine them together. Obviously the painted pearls gonna go to trash, and this as well. That's about it, guys. Let's see what I can do with it. Hey guys, it's ready. It just got a bit lighter outside. It's very rainy and dark day, so I was just waiting for a bit of natural light to make this video. So I'm just gonna quickly show what I have. This time I'm gonna show you on display so you can imagine how it's gonna look like on the neck. Remember the necklace of round beads? I took some of the beads and set it on a rose gold chain, made matching wire pins for the beads. So it's quite petite and small necklace. From the remaining small white round beads, I made this bracelet. I had to add a lot of separators because there was just not enough of length to make a bracelet. So this would be facing up, this facing down. I didn't make them matching, so I can wear them separately. I just realized nowadays people don't usually wear matching jewelry, just rarely. This one was, oh my god, it took me 6 hours to make just this part. Remember just the string of amber tone cheap beads. So I made it into a color necklace. I took this amber tone beads from all the necklaces. There was the round ones from the round necklace. There was this necklace. These beads were set with this ones in a string, but they're just plastic, so I decided not to use this. So I just took the amber tone ones to give length to this color necklace. Added these long ones from the string of long bead necklace, and again here round. So basically I took all the amber tone and set it into one necklace. It's gorgeous. It's my favorite from this project. You can see I didn't make it too long or too short. This display is a bit smaller than the normal neck, so you can imagine it sitting a bit higher like this. Ah, it's really nice. I love it. Next one was the other necklace that was left, this with long beads. I didn't really know what to do with it because they're so chunky, and you know, there was almost no matching beads, but I tried to keep the symmetry. I added this purple bead from the round necklace, and you can see here I added white seed beads from the last video. If you remember, I had a bag of seed beads left. If you didn't see the video, I'm just gonna leave a link below in the description. So I added a bit of extension chain in case, because it's quite short, so in case I want it a bit longer. It does look nice. I tried to keep the symmetry with the stones, but you can see there's still different colors, and it has this nice texture to it. It does look nice. So because of so many different colors in it, I could wear it absolutely with anything. I could wear a white dress and put this on, it would give color. I could wear it with jeans, I could wear it with purple skirt, and basically anything. And that's what's nice about it. I made matching bracelet here because I had a bit of smaller long beads left. I tried to match it, so I used the smaller purple beads from the round necklace and added all the remaining long beads and added extension chain just to match the necklace. So it does look nice as well with nice pattern to it. I don't have to wear it together with a necklace because it's so chunky and colorful. They will be like just an outfit by themselves, so I could wear it just with a pair of jeans and t-shirt. So, and remember the old brooch with these nice beads? I set them in the rose gold chunky hooks. Try to keep it simple because the beads themselves are really sparkly and nice. I set them on a ready-made pin to keep it simple. No wire wrap in this one. It does look really nice with elegant dress, or you know, when you're having a night out. It would match perfect with gold jewelry. It has this nice sparkle to it. And then I made a smaller set in silver. I didn't add chunky hooks here, like here. So it's a smaller, more petite, to match with any outfit, you know, just you can wear it every day, because this one is more like a fancy looking and this one is more simple. And then this is all I have remaining, this plastic beads. They don't look really nice by themselves, so I decided not to waste anything on this, and I'm not gonna keep them. We'll see. I have 2 round beads left, mismatched and just odd pair. They're plastic as well, so I'm not gonna keep them probably. I have 1 bead left from the brooch. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's just odd that I have 1 left and I can't really do anything with it. Maybe I'm just gonna, you know, set it on the pin and make a tiny pendant on a, I don't know, gold tone tiny chain, and it would look elegant by itself. I don't know. And then remember the metal necklace? This is all I could save. It was actually Marks and Spencer. I saw the tag when I was taking the necklace apart. It was quite cute, but it was old and it was getting discolored, and after I washed it, it was looking the same, and I just kept these parts. They still look nice and sparkle, and by themselves they were not enough to make anything. I didn't want to waste a lot of products on this one because the whole project is about remaking old stuff, and here I would have to add a lot of new stuff to make something. So I'm just gonna keep them for future projects. That's it. That's all that's left, and I made 1 matching necklace necklace and bracelet, 2 earrings out of brooch, 1 fancy one and 1 more simple one. This fancy color necklace, my favorite. here a simple necklace as well. You know, you can wear it anytime. It's probably perfect in summer with summer dress. And then this separate bracelet. You could probably match it wearing with this, but I didn't try to match it. I said this one in rose gold and this one is more silver and purpley. As you can see, I added a bit of purple separators here to match the purple beads, to keep, you know, to add a bit of its purple bracelet. So I know it's gonna be my purple bracelet. That's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe and like the video if you want to see more of this in the future. Bye bye.